Hey there, boombox lovers. I just making a quick little update on what's going on as far as my collection here and the ones I'm working on for selling. Got a new Clairtone there, my keeper, I think. We'll see how it goes. The bottom one there, the big one, that's my biggest in my collection right now, and it sounds amazing. But I've got one here, another Clairtone that I'm working on, and found some interesting things that I had to diagnose to get it to work. So I'll show you that. So over here we got a few things in the works. Probably gonna make a good one out of those two there. Little Sony. That one, it was more work than it's worth. But anyway, this is the one I was talking about. It's another Clairtone 7974, I believe. So the tape player wasn't working on it. And what I found was a bad transistor. So this guy, this little breadboard here on the side of the tape cassette player goes there, and you take the screws off. This transistor here was bad, so I matched one up. This is the old one. It is a, what is that? 1702L. So I got a kit of them from Amazon, and I replaced it with an S8050. Yeah, so works great. Back in action as far as the motor. There was no power getting to the motor. And another issue on this one was the tape the tape door wouldn't close when you put a tape in, because the recording bar, lockout bar, was bent. This guy was bent over. So now I think she's working pretty good. Plug it in, show you. Yeah, it was working. Hang on. Okay, we're back now. One thing, this had to be fully closed to engage play. And then I played it, and the new transistor went. So I think another issue here was the diode on here. So testing it, and it plays pretty reliably now. Yeah, baby, awesome. So super stoked to get this one going. Now time to get her back together.